we are going over building the links, which is not everybody's favorite part, but it's got to be done and it's part of the build. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to the next part of this MST CFX-WS build series. In this part of the series, we are going over building the links, which is not everybody's favorite part, but it's got to be done and it's part of the build. For this part of the build, you'll need parts bag 5. For step 1 of the links, which are the upper and lower links, you'll need these following parts. Basically, you'll need 26 pivot balls, I think 16 of these straight rod ends, 16 of these grub screws, and the all the links that have pairs. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like that's not enough thread, so I'm actually going to thread these into the rod ends first and then thread them into the link. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, that's way too much thread into the link. Alright, we've got these grub screws all threaded into the rod ends. We'll go ahead and put the links together. Alright, that completes step one. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. Let's go ahead and put the pivot balls on. And when I want to put the pivot balls on, this is a really handy tool. These are ProTech RC shock pliers. You know what, in this case, I don't think we're going to need them. Let's just do it this way. Alright, now we're done with step one, which are the upper and lower links. Alright, unfortunately the batteries ran out while I was filming. I think I was almost done with this step where I put together all the pivot balls and the links. But here's the completed step one, which are the upper and lower links. And we're ready to go ahead and move on to step two, which covers the steering or the servo link. For step two, you'll need the following. Make sure you're using this rod end. Alright, so with this, you want one facing up and one facing away. And that completes step two, the steering link. Or drag link, steering link, whatever you want to call it, but the one that attaches to the servo. For step three, which is the steering link, you'll need these following parts. Now you'll need to make sure you have the correct rod ends. These are the rod ends that don't accept a pivot ball. There could be some confusion with this one that does use a pivot ball. You want the ones that don't use a pivot ball. That completes step three, the steering link. Alright, interesting thing here, in the manual there's no step four for the link section. I think it might be because step four is actually for the steering linkage. So for step five, you install the upper links. So you'll need the two pairs of the shortest links. And the shortest one goes in the front and the longer, shorter ones go into the rear. You'll need 4 M3x20s and 4 M3 lock nuts. And the screws go into the front of the slider mount. And that completes step 5. For step 6, you'll need the following: these M3x16 screws, 4 of them. And remember, the longer links go on the rear. Alright, that's it. And that completes this part of the series. This completes step 6, and this completes this part of the series, which are the links. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this MST CFX-WS build series. Thanks for watching. Alright, and that completes step 6, and that also completes this part of the series, which are the links for this MST CFX-WS. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this MST CFX-WS build series. Thanks for watching.